Thank you very much, sister. The theme for this year's broadcast is the call. As you look back on your various appointments, do you see a specific element in this sermon of missionary activities?
This same spirit of discernment actually keep my missionary fire alive. It always moved me from my own wanting towards attending to any given situation of mission that call for my sharing and participation. It sometimes demands so much self-sacrifice. It's painful, but if I cannot bear anymore, I have someone to talk with. I have mentor who really can accompany me, feeling with me, but at the same time challenge me when I so focus on my own wanting or self-centered attitude. I have several of my own sisters who really can challenge me, because sometimes I got into trap that I need. But actually, there are other things beyond that I can do also. And at the same time, I cover or my need is also fulfilled. That's why I believe also of God's of surprise.
Have you experienced moments during your missionary service where discernment has led to unexpected or surprising decisions?
There were so many experiences. As I said, God of surprise sometimes uprooted me, at the same time planted me in a fertilized soil of my realities also. There are many things that God allowed me to experience, even to the point that I have to first swallow the bitter pill of my brokenness, my ideal self, especially when I really look into the experience in the deep, silent prayer. I found out that discernment leads me really to that sense of freedom and put me into my giving of self to the best that I can. My participation in sharing in the formation ministry, so many things sometimes I found I am helpless, but listening to the spirit that moves in the hearts of others, at least those in the formation team, there is a lot of wisdoms revealed. Whether I can also decide to defend the persons who are meant for our congregation or to send away from our congregation with that dignity, freedom. Accompanied very well the person to decide, and if it is not meant for us as SSPS, then we send them or in a more peaceful manner. So discernment helped me also to come out from my helplessness, facing challenging reality, which is especially when it is ambiguity in the person to decide or not to decide. I myself do the prayer. I also invite and encourage the person to go through also discernment. Even there will be also time when I was rejected also with those kinds of advice to do the prayer and discernment. But when I do my part, really offer that to God and listen from others, the best decision that I can make come out with a very surprise one. Like to transfer the sisters, 20s, 30s, years in the same community, and her presence not so much energize or support the life-giving relationship. And she is very tough person, which everybody in the community also found very difficult to live with. How to bridge this reality among those suffer from these complex personalities, strong personalities, and then treat the person, invite the person, the sister, to do proper discernment. How to be there without judgment so much, but focus on the person, treasure that she also have capacity to discern, and accepting the transferring with peaceful heart. So I do not want to leave the broken relationship or feeling bad feelings in the persons or sisters in the community towards the person who are transferred. So that kind of discernment really give me God's of surprise. So many occasions I managed to really help out because of consultation with others and also listen to my inner voice, which I believe the voice of God, for the best decision that we can offer, and also welcome the collaborative attitude from others who will carry out this decision made by us.